front.
Yep. So here we go. We got a little break here in between. So Charity, walk her downwind there till we get the full meal deal there. And I think you got a birdie dog. And we'll just wait for her. Oh, yeah, that's what. Whoa. That's what she needs the most work on there, and she's still wagging her tail, so she's not quite on point. Her front's on point, her rear end's on go. Oh. Go ahead and just wrap it around her abdomen again. And kind of let them know. It didn't have to be tight, just a little bit like that. It's just so she'll pull up a little bit and go up. Release her.
Tess!
See if she'll bring it to you.
I'll come closer so she's more slack on the butt. Here! Tess! Tess! Hey!
Come on, girl. Hey!
Hey! Come here!
It just did a little immaturity. Where do I grab it? But you know, they haven't had a lot of bird exposures yet. And then usually they're dead. Now she got a live one. Come on, girl. Hey! And there we go. She's just figuring out the best hand hold here, or mouth hold, I mean. Come on, girl. Hey!
Here. Pulling out feathers.
Well, I don't see any feathers going anywhere. She's just kind of mouthing around on them. Come on, girl. Hey.
Here.
There she got it. Good girl. Come on.
Here.
Come on. Down, girl. Good job.
Good girl.
All right, let's do one more pointing and then